There is no case at all. In fact, there is no criminal case. No criminal case can be initiated on the set of facts which they are showing now to the court or to the people. What is the criminality involved in it? It is a race conducted by the prestigious cities of the world. Continuously for 9 years they are conducting. The Berlin conducting it, London conducting, Europe, New York is conducting, Paris is conducting, and Seoul is also conducting for 9 continuous years. Why they are conducting? No other city in this country could get that opportunity. But with hard work and by impressing the need of the race to be conducted, and the company was impressed by KTR personally, in the sense, by coming to Hyderabad they will get better recognition. And see, 9 years any country, why is that they are conducting it? Unless there is some kind of benefit to the country and the city who are conducting this race. That common sense is missing with this present government. Mr. Revant Reddy as PCC president, he was on record and before the cameras he said that he will undo everything that KCR administration has done. And in that process, he cancelled it without assessing the damage that is going to be caused to the state exchequer and the state interest. And now when he realized that what he has done is wrong, this drama of criminal cases brought onto the open. There is nothing. What is the case? Decision was taken wide open in before the public. Program was conducted. Contract was entered. Money, whatever fees that is agreed under the contract, was transferred through bank. Where is the mens rea? Where is the criminal act done by anybody in this?
Sir, is there any counsel accompanying KTR today in ED?
Yes, one counsel is there along with him. They allowed one counsel and he is there.
So yesterday, cross petition applied for the Supreme Court was dismissed as taken back by the BRS government. What is the next kind of action by the BRS?
No, it all depends upon the evolution of the case. Legal action, what suitable legal action we have to initiate, we will initiate after getting the instructions from the client. That's all.
Will you be approaching for the protection or arrest to Supreme Court in the case?
As of now, no such plans are there. Thank you.
Are we going to go to the shade?